Today we revisit a procedure I had used on my video series, One Flea Power Engine. That is to use the lathe to square up stock. I'm building a drill press clamp that will hold the small pieces. The rail joiners for my track panels are all wonky because I can't hold on to them. I have here a piece of aluminum I'll use for the base, and I'll practice squaring it up. Here's where I should start to indicate instead of just, I guess, by golly, and hope the jaw's holding straight. One jaw is on the two straight edges and doesn't come out quite right. Now you'll notice that I'm wearing safety glasses and short sleeve t-shirts. Safety first in the shop. The reason I'm wearing a cotton t-shirt is really quite simple. It doesn't help if you have chips fly off, and those aluminum chips are quite hot. Although it's funny, the aluminum itself doesn't seem to get warm, but they burn. That's why I'm wearing a cotton t-shirt. 100% cotton, because synthetics tend to start to melt and release volatile gases when they're hit by those hot pieces. This is a trick that comes from the welders and from my work in the oil patch. You wear cotton because it doesn't produce those volatile gases. And that kind of stuff just doesn't make your day. Now I finally got smart and I'm indicating. Something I should have started doing right from the beginning. See? Perfect! I like that. Now I'll get the one side squared up. I'll be able to just turn it over and use something as a parallel. I ended up using just a pair of 1/4-inch drills to turn it around, and I had a piece of squared up stock. Maybe in one of my next videos I'm going to turn around and see if I can take some of that bar stock that I cut off too short and start making some 3- and 4-inch long parallels out of it. I need more, obviously, instead of just using drills. And I need one about 1 inch for this kind of a situation. I'm sitting here just grooving on the music, watching me. Oh, here we go again. The middle of, we're doing this wrong. If I would have used the proper side of the square as a parallel, it would have worked better. Here I am just teeter-tottering the piece back and forth, and it's just not working. But I think I have it close, so I'm going to give it a try. This aluminum is so soft, I was able to hog upwards of 30 to 50 thousandths off of the pieces I'm cutting this down. Now I'm getting close to where I need to be, but see here what happens. Measure up, see how much more I have to go, a couple of quick cuts, and see how it looks like. Oops! That's not quite square. Now I'm using the right side of the square to use as a parallel. Takes a little bit of fighting, but I finally do get it. Let's give a little cut and see what happens. It's only about 3 thousandths and I get a complete flat surface. Check my measurements. Give a little spritz of WD-40 for a surface on it. Looks not bad. Look at that surface, I like that. Now I'm getting real adventuresome. This seems to be working. I'm going to do the backside. Now in my next episode I'm going to make up the hold downs for this. I have some 3/8 inch drills. Get this far. To be continued, and don't forget to visit my Patreon page if you want to help keep Steam alive in this area.